Good morning, AEA. Welcome. I'm excited to be here with you in Phoenix for our 68th Annual International Convention and Trade Show. As Bill noted, it's been nearly 50 years since our last show here. And wow, we're thrilled to see 300 plus repair stations and maintenance organizations here with us this week. That's more than a third of our membership. A huge thank you to our exhibitors and sponsors. You help make this the must-attend event in the industry. In addition, I'd like to thank our international attendees who travel great distances to be with us each year. AEA is an international organization with members in 41 different countries around the world, and we're committed to maintaining those relationships and serving those markets. While we'll miss having the FAA in person with us this week due to budget limitations, we're pleased they'll be able to join us virtually. Their continued involvement remains invaluable to the association, and we look forward to reconnecting face-to-face next year in Dallas. You know, with government agencies undergoing transformation, it's crucial for the industry to proactively engage and contribute to their modernization. This is our chance to shape more efficient operations, unlock greater innovation, and ensure the continued excellence of our safety record. Our amazing staff and board of directors have put together an action-packed week for you. We've got a full training schedule, a nearly sold-out exhibit hall, and 4 days of fantastic networking and social events. We're kicking things off today with 28 new product introductions, and this afternoon alone you can choose from 20 hours of different training sessions. AEA has the business, regulatory, and technical training to give you and your company the competitive advantage. And tonight we celebrate the opening of our show with a spring training themed First Nighter event. There's definitely something for everyone. Something new this year, thanks to Aaron Ward, our Director of Operations, we have a way to share contact information with our updated badge system. It's easier to use than those lead retrieval systems you're used to. It's free, and it was built for everyone in attendance. To use it, open the camera on your smartphone, focus on that QR code of the badge you want to scan, and a link will pop up. Enter your email address, and the contact info of the person's badge you're scanning will be sent to you. We've also added a notes field so you can type in an action item or a reminder for yourself, and it'll help jog your memory when you follow up with your new contact. I've already used it this morning to remind myself to follow up with Bill on some important board work. An exciting addition to this year's show is AEA's first ever avionics skills competition. With the support of Banyan Air Service, Collins Aerospace, and Duncan Aviation, AEA partnered with the Barrington Irving Technical Training School to build and host this competition. We're thrilled to bring this inaugural event to the convention and showcase the skills of our industry and the talent of the next generation workforce. Come see us in the exhibit hall on Thursday starting at 10:30. Booth 241 is where you can see AEA academic members Penn College of Technology, Barrington Irving's Technical Training School, and my alma mater, Southern Illinois University, compete for avionics skills supremacy. Special thanks to our tireless Workforce Development Committee who helped put this event together and for volunteering their time to highlight the knowledge and skills of our industry and inspire future technicians. And thanks to Cirrus Aircraft, Daniels Manufacturing, and Sporty's for their additional sponsorship and support. You know, when it comes to workforce, AEA leads the way with numerous initiatives to help develop a pipeline of talent, upskill your current technicians, and create ways to recognize the professionals in our industry. Our initiatives have evolved over the years from the very first scholarship to a world-class training facility and, as Bill mentioned, a dedicated staff to workforce development. This year, AEA has even more exciting news to share. As an unrelenting supporter of technician training, standards development, and certification in our industry, we're thrilled to announce the launch of our own technician certification program. The AEA Certified Aircraft Electronics Technician, or CAET. This certification is the first step of a knowledge-based assessment of the skills for entry-level technicians. It's the beginning of a broader set of certifications that will recognize the practical skills and emerging technologies avionics technicians see every day. In addition to our new entry-level technician, CAET Advanced will require more in-depth knowledge and practical skills assessments, and CAET Pro will recognize senior-level technicians with more field experience, supervisory, or avionics manager level responsibilities. These certifications were built by industry for industry. The recently revised ASTM standard was updated to reflect the knowledge level requirements for entry and advanced level technicians. AEA's own Workforce Development Committee, along with other industry subject matter experts, were instrumental in refining and modernizing the old standard with a version that's ready to serve the technicians of today and tomorrow. We're currently testing the CAET and plan to have the commercial version available on May 1st through our new certification partner, the Unmanned Safety Institute. USI works with nearly 500 schools in all 50 states and has more than 300 instructors and 20,000 certifications awarded around the world. They will help us expand the distribution of our new certification into schools and complement their highly regarded training and certification programs in the drone space. To learn more, I encourage you to attend the Flight Plan for Talent session tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., where AEA will discuss recruiting and retention strategies and introduce our new partners from USI. These certifications are going to become more increasingly important as our industry continues to grow and shows further demand for skilled technicians. AEA, along with 7 other associations, helped fund a study which was recently released a few weeks ago, measuring the economic impact of general aviation. The numbers are impressive as the industry supports 1.3 million jobs and $339 billion in economic output in the United States. What's more impressive with that is the growth compared to the study 5 years ago, with a 36% increase in direct income and a 40% increase in labor income, with similar increases in output and GDP. If you study the Aircraft and Shipment and Billings report recently released by GAMA, we're up almost 20% per year in shipments compared to the same study 5 years ago. Year over year, shipments are up 3% and billings rose 13%. Factor in what's happening in the emerging technology space, the innovation and growth potential is amplified even more. While there's work to be done on infrastructure, air traffic modernization, regulation and policy revision, the significance of general aviation cannot be overstated. And our association is well positioned to address the issues and take advantage of these opportunities. Today, you have a front row seat to all the action and innovation in the aircraft electronics industry. AEA is where it all takes place. We are excited to have you here, and we look forward to reconnecting, learning, and helping you grow your business.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 68th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Phoenix, Arizona, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.